Good evening and welcome to the session number 9 from the playlist of ray optics. The topic is magnification in the case of spherical mirrors, and based on this topic I have written here 3 important points, and I have also drawn here 2 diagrams in order to make you understand what magnification is. So magnification is equal to the height of the image divided by the height of the object, and this is equal to h dash upon h, where h dash is the height of the image and h is the height of the object, and this is also equal to minus v upon u. Now in the case of the concave mirror, so this is the concave mirror, the magnification can be positive or negative. Now here I have drawn one diagram in which the object is placed between the focus and the pole of the mirror. So in this case I am getting the image which is erect and virtual. Now as per the sign convention, the height above the principal axis is taken as positive, and if the image is inverted, then the height of that image is taken as negative. Now in this case, the height of the image as well as the height of the object will be taken as positive. So in this case, the magnification will be positive. However, if the object is placed somewhere between the center of curvature and the focus, or it is placed beyond the center of curvature, that is on the left side of the center of curvature, then in that case the image will be real and inverted. So in that case the magnification will be negative. In the case of concave mirror, we can get the enlarged image or we can get the diminished image. So the numerical value of the magnification can be either greater than 1 or less than 1. Now in the case of the convex mirror, the magnification is always positive, because for any position on the principal axis, for any position of the object on the principal axis, the image is always erect, the image is virtual, erect and diminished in size. So the magnification, the numerical value of the magnification will be always less than 1, and at the same time the magnification will be positive in all cases. So this was a brief description on magnification. In the next session, that is in the session number 10, we will be coming up with a numerical problem which will be involving the concept of magnification as well as the mirror formula. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.